If winning is important to you, if setting speed records is your goal, we're your one-stop shop. We're Sonny's Racing Engines and Components, and we've been helping professionals and amateurs win races for over 37 years. Located in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains in Lynchburg, Virginia, not far from the moonshine capital of the world where NASCAR got started, we know the importance of going fast. At Sonny's, it's all about speed, and that's why we're recognized as the world's leader in mountain motor technology. Sonny's is home of over 50 national and world drag racing records. Sonny's has 3 in-house 5-axis CNC milling centers. Our skilled craftsmen have extensive experience turning out space shuttle tolerances. We have added on a state-of-the-art building addition for more equipment and inventory. Our in-house manifold fabricating center gives us another performance advantage, along with our 5-station head porting room that accommodates 2 flow benches. To make sure our engines perform, we have 2 state-of-the-art dynos for extensive testing. If it's innovation you're looking for, Sonny's has designed a GM semi-hemispherical cylinder head for GM big block applications that feature 5-inch bore spacing for large cubic inch engines. These heads are used on all of the IHRA Pro Stock GM engines. Engine builders like John Cossey, Ron Hutter, Bob Ingalls, Lee Edwards, Pat Musey, Scott Duggins, and Charlie Buck all use these GM hemispherical head castings.
Against Monte Calvo's Sonny's powered machine, and Sonny builds a lot of steam for the Pro Stock cars here.
How about an 016 light for the man that wins this race?
But Sonny made some big power. We got a good car, and it all came together today.
Sonny's has designed a 5/300 bore spacing GM hemispherical head to accommodate over 900 cubic inches. This will allow the bore to be 5-inch, which is 300 thousandths larger than our existing piston for Pro Modified and other classes unlimited in cubic inch. Also running the new GM hemispherical headed engine designed by Sonny's is the NTPA Grand National Champion Pete McKeith. If you have the time and the know-how, we'll sell you the same heads, manifold, and complete engine kit that we assemble in-house. We'll even answer your questions if you need a little guidance. In addition to our machine shop service, we offer digitizing and reverse engineering services. Not only do our engines win on the quarter mile, we have a proven combination for truck and tractor pulls, along with race and pleasure boats. We're Sonny's, and we want to help you win. We can provide a pair of cylinder heads or a full race-ready engine. You can build it yourself from our kits or just order a complete dyno-tested engine. By owning, designing, and CNC machining of our 5-inch bore spacing cylinder heads, it allows us to carry a large inventory of parts to serve you fast. For 2009, Sonny's has designed a 5/300 bore spacing wedge symmetrical port head for the Pro-modified nitrous engines. Sonny's designed this 5/300 bore spacing head starting with a plastic model with our in-house SolidWorks software and engineer. Sonny's designed and engineered the head in conjunction with CA Tooling in Lynchburg, Virginia. Boost Foundry in Pennsylvania cast our cylinder heads. This raw head casting is machined by Sonny's 5-axis Haas Vertical Machining Center. We qualify the head and install the head bolt pattern for future machining in-house or sold in this form to other engine builders. You can buy these heads from raw form to race-ready castings. We have an inventory or raw castings ready to be machined. This wedge head is based off of its smaller 5-inch bore spacing family that 5-time Pro Street World Champion Pat Musey and Scott Duggins of Par Racing Engines have used successfully for years. This new head will flow enough air to accommodate over 900 cubic inches. With a 2750 intake valve at 1/200 lift, this intake runner will flow 660 CFM. With the right-shaped chamber and a 2-inch exhaust valve, the port will flow 450 CFM. This chamber works well